Are you tired of exhausting grind of traditional marketing agencies? Constantly chasing new clients, dealing with high expectations, and feeling the pressure of delivering results manually every single month. Maybe you're frustrated by inconsistent revenue, demanding clients, and the constant stress of meeting tight deadlines. So, what if there was a better, a more streamlined, and stress free way to run your agency? Imagine having software that works around the clock to handle client fulfillment, allowing you to scale your business effortlessly and generate predictable recurring revenue. Companies like Podium and Birdeye are already succeeding using this exact business model, often charging $400 to $600 per month per client. The downside? They keep a big slice of your profits. But here is the exciting news. With GoHighLevel, GHL, you can launch your own fully branded AI SaaS agency, charge competitive prices or even higher, and keep 100% of the revenue. No sharing your profits with anyone else. And here is an exclusive opportunity for you. I'm giving you a 30 days free trial of the entire system, which usually is available for 14 days only. Plus, you will join our premium community and get weekly live coaching calls, all completely free. Find the links to it in the resources section. So, what exactly is an AI SaaS agency? An AI SaaS, software as a service agency, leverages automated software solutions to fulfill marketing services for your clients. Unlike traditional marketing agencies, where manual effort, long working hours, and constant client interactions are the norm, AI SaaS agencies operate with automation at its core. Here is how it works, step by step. Software as a service. You provide your clients access to powerful marketing software tools that automate lead generation, email campaigns, reputation management, chatbots, SMS marketing, AI voice, and more. Then comes the automated fulfillment. Instead of manually performing tasks, your software automatically delivers consistent, measurable results 24 by 7. This significantly reduces your workload and boosts clients' satisfaction. Then comes the recurring revenue model. Client pays a monthly subscription fee, typically ranging from $297 to $997 per month, generating predictable and sustainable income for your business, like he pays any utility bill. And you get a fully branded platform. With GoHighLevel, you can easily brand the software with your logo and domain, making your agency stand out without professionally or without spending any money on development fees. In short, your agency becomes a powerful automated machine that runs smoothly while you focus on scaling and attracting more clients. By switching to the AI SaaS agency model, you move your stress, unpredictability, and burnout towards automation, scalability, and financial freedom. Imagine how it will feel to have consistent recurring revenue, happier clients, and more free time to enjoy the life. Now, here is your next step. Check out the resources section to immediately unlock the 30 days free trial of GoHighLevel and join our exclusive community and weekly live coaching calls. So, are you ready to launch your successful AI SaaS agency and transform your life? Let's get started.